Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing amazing. You all are fine and safe. So if you guys are new to my channel, then hello, I am Pooja. Just a small reminder, please consider subscribing to my channel and let's make this family huge. Also guys, don't forget to press the bell icon as well to get notified whenever I'll upload new video. You can even follow me on all of my social media like Instagram and Facebook. It really motivates me and my channel to bring more content for you all. Alright guys, so before starting off with this video, I would like to apologize to you all. आई नो बहुत दिन से मैंने एक भी यूट्यूब वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं किया ऑन माई चैनल. आई कैन से लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 2 या 3 वीक से मैंने कुछ भी अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे पोस्ट नहीं किया. द रीज़न इज मैं अपने वीडियोस अपने फ़ोन से शूट करती हूँ एंड गाइस सडनली मेरे फ़ोन का स्क्रीन चला गया एंड आई वॉज सो अनहैप्पी ऑन दैट डे बिकॉज गाइज माई फ़ोन इज़ एवरीथिंग. क्योंकि फ़ोन से ही मैं सब कुछ करती हूँ लाइक शूटिंग, एडिटिंग, अपलोडिंग, एवरीथिंग आई डू विथ माई फ़ोन. सो आई रियली नो द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ माई फ़ोन. सो गाइज आई हैव टू गो थ्रू द रिपेयरिंग प्रोसेस एंड इट टुक हेल्प 2 वीक्स. लाइक मैंने अपने फ़ोन को एप्पल के सर्विस सेंटर में दिया था एंड गाइस आई एम सो अनलकी एट दिस पॉइंट. मेरे फोन का वारंटी पीरियड भी खत्म हो गया था. सो आई हैव टू पे द होल अमाउंट जो भी उन्होंने मुझे डिस्प्ले के लिए चार्ज किया. सो फाइनली मुझे मेरा फोन आफ्टर 2 वीक्स के बाद मिला है. सो आई वाज लाइक लेट मी डू अ मेकअप काइंड ऑफ वीडियो बिकॉज दैट इज द थिंग विच गोना मेक मी हैप्पी. क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम से आई वॉज सो अनहैप्पी लाइक 2 वीक बिना फोन के. आई डू हैव अ एंड्रॉइड फोन एज वेल अच्छा खासा बट आई डोंट नो वाई आई एम सो कंफर्टेबल विद iOS. गाइस सडनली iOS से एंड्रॉइड में स्विच करना इज सो डिफिकल्ट आई कैन से बट येस guys, so I am super happy I got my phone. Guys, I thought let me do a nice comeback with a makeup tutorial. So I have created this makeup look right here. So this is such a nice soft pink kind of makeup look which you can wear on any daytime event. Like अगर आपको कोई भी event daytime में attend करना हो, any party, any function, so आप ये makeup look को easily wear कर सकते हो. This is so fresh, so lightweight and so easy to achieve. Also ये बहुत कम time में मैंने makeup look create किया है. So if you guys are interested how I did it, then you should keep on watching. Also guys, don't forget to check the description box as well if you want to know which product I have or in case if you want to purchase any. And now let's get started. So guys, I'm quickly gonna start off with a primer. So the primer I'm using, it's from Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer. Oops, sorry. So I'm just going to apply this on the area where I have pores और जहाँ पे मेरी skin बहुत oily होती है and yeah. So guys, after primer I'm going to apply a foundation. For that I'm going to use this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and guys I am in the shade Buff and it have like a neutral undertone. So I'm just going to dot it all over my face and then मैं इसको अच्छे से अपने skin में एक ब्रश की हेल्प से ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. एंड बाय द वे गाइस आई एम यूजिंग दिस स्टिपलिंग ब्रश फ्रॉम प्रो आर्टे एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू blend this foundation out. And guys, this foundation is so full coverage, it's so lightweight and I really love the finish it gives to my face. Also ये काफ़ी हद तक आपके स्किन के पिगमेंटेशन को भी कवर करने में हेल्प करेगा. So you guys can definitely give it a try for this foundation. Next up I'm going to use a concealer and I'm gonna use my current favorite which is a Swiss Beauty liquid concealer and I'm in the shade 02 Sand and I'm just going to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes and little bit on my temples and bridge of my nose, my forehead, cupid's bow. And now guys I'm just going to blend this out. Also guys, ये concealer इतना ज़्यादा full coverage है, like you can see it really covers all of the dark circle and pigmentation that your skin have. Also this concealer is super affordable. It only retails for 170 rupees, like such a bomb concealer for the price you're paying. Next up guys, I'll be using a loose powder to set my base. So for that I'm going to use this sugar banana powder. Actually I don't like this powder that much but abhi mere paas hai and I just can't throw this, so I have to use it. So I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. Actually I feel like this is too yellow for my skin tone because I already use product which have more of a yellow undertone. So I really feel like ये ज़्यादा हो जाता है but ठीक है, like काम चल जाता है I can say. And now guys I'm just dusting it off because I really don't like to keep my powder for longer amount of time. Now guys I'm going to apply a blush. For that I'm going to use this Rimmel blush palette and guys I'm going to pick this shade right here. I don't know why मैं इस palette को इतना use नहीं करते because it have lot of shimmer shade, like 2 shimmer है and this one is only matte. So Yep. By the way guys, the shade is so pretty, you can see already. And now guys, I'm going to bronze up my face. For that I'm going to use this Wet n Wild color icon mega bronzer, and you guys can already see the condition of this, like iska lid toot chuka hai and I have already hit the pan. I'm going to apply this on the hollow of my cheeks, like the outer perimeter of my face. Again guys, I'm gonna take the same stippling brush and I'm just gonna run it all over my face. अगर कोई भी चीज़ extra होगी, so it will help to tone it down. I'm quickly gonna apply a highlighter as well. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this one is a rose gold. And I'm just gonna go very subtle. मुझे बहुत ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा beam bam नहीं करना है. Very subtle I wanna keep. And guys, I'm going to use this eyebrow mascara from NYX, and I'm just going to comb my eyebrow. So guys, this is how my eyebrow is looking. Now let's start with the eye makeup, and for my eye makeup I'm going to use this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and along with that I'm going to use the same bronzer as my transition shade. So मैं इसको फटाक से पहले अपने crease में लगा लेती हूँ. एंड गाइज, दिस इज सच अ प्रिटी शेड. मैंने इसको जितना ब्रॉन्जर नहीं यूज़ किया है उससे ज़्यादा मैंने इसको एज अ ट्रांजिशन शेड लाइक अपने आई मेकअप में यूज़ किया है. फ्रॉम दिस पैलेट आई एम गोना पिक दिस पिंक शेड, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस कलर लाइक बिलो माई क्रीज, एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ब्लेंड इट आउट. एंड गाइज, आई एम टेकिंग माई टाइम टू ब्लेंड आउट द पिगमेंट, बिकॉज ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आप कोई भी आई मेकअप करो तो यू टेक योर टाइम टू ब्लेंड आउट. आई एम डूइंग द सेम. Now guys, I'm going to pick this shade right here, and I'm just gonna place this shade up below my crease. Now guys, from the same palette I'm gonna pick this shade right here with the help of my finger, and I'm just going to apply this on my eyelid. Oh, you guys can see how pigmented this shade is. And guys, I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. This is such a nice soft pink kind of eye makeup look which I have created. I'm going to pick this pink color, and मैं इसको अपने lower lash line में भी blend कर लूँगी. Now guys, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild color icon kajal in the shade brown, because I love applying brown kajal on my waterline because it look more natural. So yeah. And after that guys, I'm going to apply a mascara. For that I'm going to use this Colossal mascara, and I'm just going to coat my top and bottom lashes. And after that guys, I'm quickly gonna wear my false eyelashes as well. And now guys, I'm going to apply a false eyelashes again with a quick transition, and then I'll just come. And now guys, we are only left with the lipstick. So for that I'm going to use this Smashbox Babe Alert lipstick. I think it will go well with my eye makeup because I'm also wearing nice soft pink eye makeup look. So I'm just gonna apply this nice pinky tone lipstick. So yeah guys, this is how my makeup is looking. I'm super happy the way it turned out. Like everything is complementing each other. Like my lip color is going well with my eye makeup, and my eye makeup is totally going with my lipstick and with my outfit. So yeah guys, I hope you found this video helpful, interesting and informative. And I hope आपको ये video अच्छी लगी, and if you really did so, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Do share with your friends and family. And yeah guys, अगर आप कोई भी makeup look मुझसे inspire होके create करते हो, so don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to share that on my story. Like that is my way of showing some love to you. And yeah guys, now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see you, take care, and see you soon. Bye bye.